Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create purchase order tracker in Notion. So first thing, I will create one page which is going to be empty, but we will have to start with something. So I will pick the table and here I will create new database. So let's say in case of purchase order we need item name, so I will use item or item name, either one should do. I will make sure to get the line closer. I will remove the tags column. Next thing, I will also add a few things like text property where we want to have description as our column name, right? Next thing is we will be using quantity, which is going to be a number, and we have it here, right? And then once we have that, next we will be getting is unit and price, right? Or if we already have units within the quantity field, we can skip over to price. So we have number, so we have price. We can choose the number format for currency as US dollar, right? So we have price as well, right? Next thing, we will have total, which is going to be a formula quantity multiplied by price, right? So we will have it as total, formula we will edit, and here let's say if I want to have my quantity, right? And if I just remove this, so quantity multiplied by price, right? Done. So we have like our purchase order tracker ready, right? There are a few other things you can choose to do within this, like adding more details for that order, like person, department, etc. But I will stick to the minimum, right? So we have like purchase order tracker, right? So item name you will start with, let's say I'm ordering some items related to hardware items, right? So description here would be 12-inch cable lines. How many we want? Let's say 2. Price would be like 9.99, right? Considering these are 2, so total 19.98 automatically calculated within our totals side, right? So like this I can keep on adding the items. Let's say stationery is, and here we can specifically go with rubber stamps and letterhead, right? I will choose the quantity of, let's say, 2 again. Here the price is like 14.95, right? And we have our total ready as well. Like this we can even highlight these rows if we want, and we can keep track of our purchase order, and we will also add additional columns like which person triggered these purchases or which department behind that. So it will increase the amount of columns. So based on that you can choose to add or remove. So minimally you should have these columns. So this is what I have come up with in Notion.